Sarasoke were.
My people, how una dey? Una welcome to another special edition of Street Sarasoke for On Top Reach TV. My name na still Chekube Adaba. Today we dey inside the popular Alaba International Market Ojo, and wetin we dey find here na to come ask our fellow brothers and sisters wey dey do business here how be the challenges or wetin be the challenges wey dem dey face for the country as the country economy dey do gbas-gbos. Una go sit down, enjoy and watch wetin our business brothers and sisters dem get to talk about the challenges wey dem dey face.
Sarasoke brother. So you know as the thing dey be for market here na wetin we dey face majorly for this market wey no dey give us joy na the price wey be say they dey impose on goods, because if we sef where we dey buy goods the thing dey cost for there. So if we buy, the major challenge wey we dey get na if we tell customer prices, they go dey feel somehow like say we dey carry our problem dey put on top the market, but na based on as we take buy, no be our fault, na based on the economy. So you get.
Sarasoke, the problem wey we dey face na insecurity in Nigeria. Most of our customers wey dey come from the north no dey come again because dem dey hijack their motor. At times they divert them to bush, collect their money and all their goods. No dey come. Even the people in the east, insecurity in the east, none of them dey come market again. Also with Nigeria economy is too bad, dollar is too high. If you buy a market today, if you go tomorrow, the market dey top money, so it make things dey worse. Nothing, even food for house, nothing. We are not doing anything in the market.
Sarasoke. Well, basically the issues when they disturb us for this country na on insecurity issues. The thing is don't dey too much for our country wey be say, and it dey affect us as a business people, because some people don't know if you come out and if you go out go buy something, especially all these big men when they sabi come Alaba come buy one or two things, but because of say insecurity no dey like that, security no dey, no tight, anything can happen, they fit to kidnap them for road and all those things. The thing dey affect us as a business person, and the thing no really good, e no bam for our society where we dey. Number one, security dey disturb us. If government go fit give us at least, go fit allow our mind relax based on security for this our country, at least one of it go better, e go make Nigeria better, e go make business too dey move also.
Sarasoke, my brother, we dey do business before, things dey better, exchange rate dey help us, but now exchange rate don go up, business no dey, and most people now, because of the minimum wage and all the other ones, nobody dey come buy again as they dey buy before. We go there, we go dey look, we go dey pray to God make some people make them come buy, but I go tell you the truth, business no dey favorable again. Exchange rate na our problem, cost of clearing our problem. Even that self, most of all this agbero and every other thing, bad road, na be our major problem here. Make government just put eye for all those things, because I believe say business now one of the economic booster for a country. Make government then put eye for us, help us in the way where they're supposed to help us. Even with this exchange rate, I mean the one where they say they go help us, say if you want to send money for abroad, only 10,000 naira for a month, $10,000 for a month. I think they really disturb us. So business no flow as it flow.
Sarasoke. My own will be say whether they talk for this country. I don't know what will happen for this country again. I don't know, maybe we'll leave this country run away. I'll be waiting. From Wharf to here, you go see many people on the road collecting many money before you enter your warehouse. Everything you don't spend more than 200,000 for load. Apart from what you would suffer for Wharf, before we bring one container, the government on say they go carry the whole money where you take import. Your getaway go get for the business. Government don't collect. Before you go reach self from Wharf, reach from my two, reach from under bridge, come this thing, they will collect, say this one for our police, this one for police, this one for this thing, this one for this thing. Before you go know it, your money, before the thing go enter inside your warehouse, the think your money sef, you no go get anything. Even your head of your money wey take employ you no go see am. Small time another person go carry healers come say you don import a bad market, come and get say they be your son, and they don do everything from wharf. They don't catch you from wharf. Where you carry everything come with your warehouse. If you can't carry your warehouse, but you come knock for your warehouse, paka. You go then start around, they do your business. They go call you say people wait there for street. Go call you say, hey, you see people where carry this wharf, this motor where they wow, don't can enter. Come they knock for your warehouse. Before you know it, they go put key. Say your goods where you carry come away from market, where you get from this thing. Both customers they carry yourself on your warehouse, call the store. This is not too much, I beg.
Sorosoke, the way where the country be now, there's so many different as it did before to compare what in the day now. Because we know they're happy with what they happen now. Because it's better more to tell ourselves the truth than say we deceive ourselves. Because there are so many people where they follow us for back. Where we say if we not do well, then go jabo. Shipment cost again from abroad, then say they high. Due to scarcity of containers for abroad. Due to when the coronavirus happened, then say so many containers they infected. Then if they bring and come Africa, they no go return them back. Then we get the goods, go come pay for the expenses, both whether you receive them or you no receive them, and every other thing. And again, the cost of money where then they clear market, a container for wharf, it dey too high. Before, it not dey too high. It dey very, very moderate. So that if your goods enter, you go sell them very, very cheap. But now, it dey very, very high. And again, the truck, the trailer where they convert the goods from wharf to here, it is highly expensive. So if we come, we no go fit sell all those market, and we have no option than to carry all those expenses what we do, add on top the goods.
All right, my people, when I don't hear waiting, our business brothers and sisters from Alaba International get to talk. They don't talk waiting be their challenges. Our prayer be say very soon, their challenges go become a thing of the past. Now so it go be for today edition of Street Sorosoke on top Rich TV. Abeg, as we dey go, we wan beg una make una dey always watch our programs, because we dey give una quality educative programs for on top Rich TV, and una go see us for on top social media for Rich TV and any other social media handle wey display for our screen. Until we come una way again next time on another special edition of Street Sorosoke, I say make we dey Sorosoke. Sorosoke were. Ole sọ̀rọ̀.